Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Chromebook parental controls with Google Family Link. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up parental controls on your Chromebook using Google Family Link, start by ensuring you have the Family Link app installed on your mobile device. Open the Family Link app on your phone. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Now, tap on Add or Create Account to add your child's account. Follow the prompts to create a Google account for your child if needed. Once the account is created, it will guide you to set it up on your child's Chromebook. On the Chromebook, sign in to the device using your child's Google account. Next, navigate to the Family Link settings on your mobile device. From there, you can manage various settings for your child's account. Set daily limits for screen time by selecting the Daily Limits option. You can also restrict app usage or block specific apps by visiting the Apps section. To filter websites, go to the Manage Sites option under the Filters menu. Here, you can allow or block specific websites based on your preferences. To enable activity tracking, return to the main Family Link page and turn on Activity Reports. This feature helps you set bedtime schedules to restrict device usage during certain hours. Access the bedtime option to customize these settings to suit your family's routine. Lastly, encourage open conversations about online safety and responsible usage. With these steps completed, you have successfully set up parental controls for your child's Chromebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.